Hello everyone, my name is Saf, you're watching Rayon Tech TV, and in this video we'll be discovering on what is Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate is a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to create, manage and automate business processes across various Microsoft and third-party applications. So here is a look of Microsoft Power Automate with respect to its key functionalities. Number 1, workflow automation. Power Automate enables you to create automated workflows that connects different applications and services. For example, you can automate an approval process, notifications, and data transfers. Number 2, integration. It seamlessly integrates with a wide range of Microsoft products like SharePoint, Outlook, Teams, and third-party services such as Google Workspace, Dropbox, and Salesforce. Point number 3, low code or no code. Power Automate is designed to be accessible to both technical and non-technical users. You can build workflows using low code or no code visual interface, making it easy to create complex automation without even extensive coding. Next point, templates. It offers a library to pre-built templates to help you to get started quickly. These templates cover common scenarios like sending email notifications, creating tasks, and more. Next point, triggers. You can set triggers for your workflows, which are events to initiate automation. For instance, a new email arriving in your inbox can trigger a workflow to save all the attachments to a cloud storage device. Now let's dive into technical aspects. Number 1, connectors. Power Automate relies on connectors to establish connections with various applications and services. There are hundreds of connectors available for different platforms, both from Microsoft and third parties. Next point, flows. A flow is a core building block of automation in Power Automate. It consists of a trigger, one or more actions, and optional conditions. Triggers are events that start the flow, and actions are the steps that performs the flow. Expressions. Next point, you can use expressions to manipulate data and perform calculations within your flows, allowing for advanced customization. Next point, error handling. Power Automate provides a robust error handling capabilities, enabling you to define for what happens when an error occurs in your workflow. Next point, monitoring and analytics. You can monitor the performance of your flows, track their execution, and gain insights to how they are being used. Summary, Microsoft Power Automate is a versatile tool that streamlines your businesses and basically it streamlines your business processes, enhances productivity, and integrate with seamlessly a wide array of applications. The low code or no code approach make it easier and accessible to all the users, whether it is technical or non-technical. It offers advanced capabilities and customization and automation options. Whether you're looking for simplifying a basic routine or automate complex business processes, Microsoft Power Automate is a powerful solution that can help you achieve your automation goals. If you really like this session, drop a like and subscribe to my channel because I keep on uploading content for low code like this. Till then, take care. See you tomorrow.